Hello and welcome to our final tutorial series on how to set up your project. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to set up the timeline view within your Gantt chart, how to export that timeline into a Word document, how to edit the task panel and the bar styles within your Gantt chart, and finally, how to format the contents within your Gantt chart. So let us begin. Please open up this file name IEBD 2324 MSP Workshop Tutorial 5 Timeline, and it should look something a bit like this. So, to add your timeline to your Gantt chart, highlight the summary task that you want to add by clicking it, and then, as you can see here, there is an Add to Timeline option. Click this, and as you can see, it comes up with your timeline, with all your summary tasks and their dates plus milestones in it. Now we can export this to a Word project. So to export it, what you need to do is Control C and then Control V, and now it has brought up an image of your timeline into your Gantt chart, This is important for your assignment, however, this is good practice as well. As you can see, our cost column has already been implemented. However, if it has not been implemented and you are unsure on how to implement it, please refer to tutorial 2 on how to do it. Next, we'll be editing our task panel and our bar styles within our Gantt chart. To do this, all you need to do is click on your summary, and then in your font sections, you can change whatever you want in your tasks summary to make it look a bit more aesthetically pleasing and just easier to read. For this example, we will highlight the background color to make it yellow, and we'll keep the black. And you highlight the rest that you want to have a background color and do the same. Next, we'll be going over how to edit your bar styles in your Gantt chart. There are two methods, and we'll be going through both. To begin, you must click on Gantt Chart Format, click on Format, the arrow, and as you can see, there are two options. The first one, Bar Format, basically means that it changes your selected bar. However, Bar Styles changes all the styles globally. So first, click on Bar, and as you can see, it comes up with this pop-up menu. Let us change the color for the start and the end, and click OK. As you can see, within this Gantt chart, the start color has been edited, and the end color has been edited. Next, we will change the styles globally. To do this, click on the arrow again, click on Bar Styles, and as you can see, there are a lot of options. For this example, we'll be changing the manual task. So find manual task, click on it, and as you can see, you can change all the colors and styles. Click OK. And now, if we scroll down in our Gantt chart, all our manual tasks have been changed to this setting. As you can see in our Gantt chart, that our resources names are full in bold, and as you can see, it is a bit messy and a bit cluttered. So what we usually do is add their initials into our Gantt chart just to make things a bit tidier. To do this, click on the arrow, click on Bar Styles, find our section that you want to change, click on Text, and as you can see on the right, it says Resources Names. What we must do is change that to Resource Initials. So click on this arrow and find Resource Initials. Click OK, and as you can see, all our manual tasks have changed their resources into their initials. Perfect. Finally, we'll be formatting the content of your Gantt chart. To begin, you must click on File, click on Print, click on Page Setup, and as you can see, there is a lot of options in this pop-up. For this tutorial, we'll be going over how to edit your legend and your footer. To begin, click on Legend, and as you can see, there are a lot of options. Click on Every Page, click on OK. As you can see, your entire Gantt bar style at the bottom can be shown into your Gantt chart when you print it out. Finally, we'll be going over how to add a footer into your Gantt chart. This is pretty important as this is part of your assignment. So click on Page Setup, click on Footer, and for this example, we'll be using an image that can be found on Brightspace. However, in your assignment, this is where you will put your company logo, if you have one. So, click on this button to import that image. Click on Well Done. Click on it to change the size of it. There are also other options like these that can help you edit your footer. However, for this tutorial, that will be enough. Click OK. And now, as you can see, our footer is shown here. This will be where your logo will be for your assignment. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you have a good day.